Why does calling the KFold generator with shuffle give the same indices? With scikitlearn, when you create a new KFold object and shuffle is true, it'll produce a different, newly randomized fold indices. However, every generator from a given KFold object gives the same indices for each fold even when shuffle is true. Why does it work like this? Example. Output. This question was motivated by a comment on this answer. I decided to split it into a new question to prevent that answer from becoming too long.
A new iteration with the same KFold object will not reshuffle the indices. That only happens during instantiation of the object. KFold never sees the data but knows number of samples, so it uses that to shuffle the indices from the code during instantiation of KFold. Each time a generator is called to iterate through the indices of each fold, it will use same shuffled indices and divide them the same way. Take a look at the code for the base class of KFold_partition iterator with _metaclass add_meta, where _iter_ is defined. The _iter_ method in the base class calls _iter_test_ indices in KFold to divide and yield the train and test indices for each fold.
With new version of scikitlearn, by calling from scikitlearn.model_selection import KFold generator with shuffle give the different indices. Out. Alternatively, the code below iteratively generates same result. Out.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.